These things get into everything. Everything. Skids. Free wood, guys.
Yep.
Make it with what you can get.
Easiest way to make raised beds for free. Okay, 83 inches.
Ah, I see. That leaves room for the crossboards.
Yep.
Okay.
You're not just a pretty face.
Oh, look, she's taking a stroll down by the lake. The yard raptor. She's looking at her reflection in the water.
On this part of the raised bed project, I'm going to fill in the lats. And I'm using the nail gun. Now you don't have to use a nail gun, you can use nails, screws, whatever you want. I just happen to have one, so. And there like this.
Oh, get down. Suki's scared.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this all the way along. Down, Suki.
Look,
down,
she's
honey.
afraid because you're using that
noise. What's that noise?
Okay, get down, baby. You got chicken poop on your feet. Get down.
So, I'll go along and I'll bring it back when I'm done this one.
Every work site needs a chicken. You jump in that box and I'm going to put you in the crock pot. Mm-hmm.
I can do it from the other side when I flip it over.
That looks so much better filled in, eh?
Yep.
All the way around?
All the way around.
Beautiful, baby.
Okay, so...
Oh, you got your
trellis.
T-posts in.
What I've done is I put 3 T-posts so I can join it.
Okay.
One on the side, one in the middle, one there. Same on the opposite side, so 6 altogether.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I'll show you. I use these straps. Now I got the 7.5 inch straps. I'll shoot like this. And a pair of side cutters. And what this does, this is how I attach it to the posts.
Ta-da, done.
Yeah.
Gosh, those things are so convenient to have, eh?
Are they ever? And then I cut off the ends. The parts overhanging.
Cool.
So you pull it, and tighten it, and cut it.
Cool.
And I
Now,
don't want them
there's
going
no
up there.
arch. I know what you're gonna do.
Yes, you do, don't you?
I
Okay, so I'm
do.
gonna, before I bend it over, I want to get the tops
Secured.
set here, like this.
We've had a lot of questions from people asking how we made our arches. Oh, let me get around your hand there, baby.
I don't believe that. I just
You broke it?
no, I put it on. Didn't join it to anything. So, how about we go like this?
Okay.
See, and I go like this to tighten it. When it's tightened, snip it. So you don't have those things hanging out that cut you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gosh, I love these. I really do. They're the perfect width for us for what we need them
Yeah.
for, eh?
Yep.
Next nice day I can come out and paint them. I want to repaint these ones
They'll have
too.
to be repeated.
Yeah.
But in the bottom here, I'm going to put cardboard. Then I've got 3 buckets filled with compost from the kitchen. And I'm going to pour that in here. And then I'm going to put the wood chips on top of it. It'll all help to rot. But the reason for the cardboard is to bring the worms up. And that's what you want, the worms to go through the whole bed.
So does it take 3 of those panels to make your hoop?
4.
No. To make one, like
Well, you have 2 of these.
2, and then you join it in the middle. Okay. Oh, I didn't think it would reach across. I thought you were going to put another one up along the top. Oh, I was wrong.
Oh.
I got you in a close-up. You can't screw up when
Yes, I can.
pressure's on.
I can still screw
I
up.
can't get your hands. You keep putting them in the way. They haven't seen one.
There. Okay, I'll do the bottom here for a minute. After I get this bent and I'll go by around and put more on, more straps on.
Some of the plants get quite heavy, like a lot of our
Yeah,
squash,
you need a lot.
loofah, cucumber.
Yep, the squash especially.
The pie pumpkins we could do on here.
Yeah, that's right.
Not the big ones.
No, not the big ones, George.
Ta-da.
There we go.
And a trellis is being born. So we got
One
2
more of these
flat
and then I'll
ends.
bend it.
Okay. Ours did so well on the trellis last year.
Perfect.
Everything did.
Yep. And what I do is
Ooh, it's not going to be a very tall one.
no.
These panels must be shorter, eh?
Yeah, but I think what I could do, I could raise them up a bit more. Yeah, I think I will.
The other ones are to the ground.
Yeah. I don't know what these are different panels maybe. I don't know why.
I think you had a third and you joined it half and half.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I did too.
And that's what we need, because that height, I mean, we can walk under it, right?
Yep. That's right too.
So I wasn't wrong.
No, you weren't.
Ah, ka-ching. Like
oh,
it
no,
matters.
she was right.
Oh no. Do you need help more than a camera?
Nope.
Okay.
This is good.
Because I think I helped you last year.
No, this is perfect here like this.
Okay. Now we couldn't go further than this past here to put more raised beds. Even though there's a lot of real estate over there, we can't do it because that's where our septic is. And by hammering in the T-posts,
Not a good idea.
look at the yard raptors. I trained you not to kill my stuff. Now get out of there, you naughty girl. You're going into the hen yard very soon. You're really starting to tick me off. Now get on out of here. Get. You naughty girl.
So we put an extra panel on the back here, like this, and I'll tie that in, bending. These straps work great. They hold up great. They're hard to see when you trim them. So I'll get me a couple more straps. And we'll bend it.
It was the perfect height for when the vegetation was growing up there and
Yeah.
leaning over type of thing. It was, I think it went under, hon. Yeah, it goes under.
Okay.
I can hold it here. Last year we didn't video this, so we had extra hands. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, there, I couldn't reach it. Oh. And then we'll go back and sturdy it all up.
Yeah, I need that underneath. Oh. There we go.
There you go. This is so exciting, Andy. It might not be to everybody watching, but it is for me, because I know what we're doing. I even got my twinkly lights, the solar ones.
Yeah, where are they?
I bought them in the fall. They were on sale.
Yeah,
I know where they are.
in a good spot, right?
No,
Peg?
but I know this good spot. Unless you moved them.
Oh. Okay.
You don't want to let go because
You're
it'll
okay.
put
You're
too
okay.
much pressure on the other
You're
one.
all right.
Wow, the raptors have left the dogs alone.
Wow, that's unusual.
I know. Not one didn't like it that I gave her in trouble. That better not have been my lovage. Oh, my lovage is covered, right?
Huh? Yeah.
I gotta check the garlic too. I'm afraid to look because...
They haven't been touched because
No.
there's still ice on it.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
wow. Shh, they're bathing. They don't want their charcoal bath that Daddy made for them and has under the hen house. No, they want to do it in Mummy's Lily of the Valley bed. Does it have a nice aroma of Lily of the Valley? Totally desecrated it. Look at her. What's that chicken doing, baby? What's she doing? Hey? What's the baby doing, hon? I'd be careful. They're in bath mode. They might come after you. Ho ho ho! Bok, 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 bok. Are they both gonna go for the same one? Yeah. You rub my back, I'll rub yours.
Okay, so what I've done on this one here, I've used 3 panels here, and I brought it up to here. This side here, so there's 2 here, made it longer over top. But what I did on this one here, I brought them up higher because we don't use this here, only on the other side. I brought them up so 2 did it instead of 3 on here. So bug went up my nose. So this is good. This one's done. Now I just got to load it up tomorrow. We'll put the stuff in it. Cardboard, get some cardboard, put in there. And then we'll take some dirt. But we're going to do the chicken coop tomorrow.
Well, and then finish building the other one.
Yeah.
And get more panel. We need.
Well, I got a roller.
Oh, we're good then.
So I think, yeah.
We're good.
I think we'll use that.
Alrighty.
Alrighty, so give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget that notification bell, ding, 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 and we'll see you next video.